How to make PowerPoint presentation on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I would like to share you how to make PowerPoint presentation in your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting anything, make sure that PowerPoint app is installed in your device. But if you haven't installed it, then it's not a problem. You can just go to the Play Store and install the application. After installing the PowerPoint, you can simply open it. Once you have opened the app, you can just log in with your Microsoft account, and if you don't have one, don't worry. You can just create one in just a minute. Once you are logged in, to make new presentation, you can simply tap on the plus button on the top right corner. And this will give you the option to create a new presentation. You can save it to your device, OneDrive, or another location. But for now, I will select this device and choose a blank presentation. And here is a game changer, PowerPoint's outline view. These features allow you to quickly type the content for your slides without worrying about design. Just type the titles and the content for each slide, and the PowerPoint will automatically generate themes, icons, and designs for you. So once you tap OK, automatically PowerPoint presentation titles and title slides will be displayed over here. For example, I will type Welcome to College as my title and Jatrix as my subtitle, and PowerPoint will automatically design the title slides with matching fonts and style, and it's that easy. Now, to add a new slide, you can simply tap on the plus button again, and for the slide 2, I will type BP department as a title and add some subtitle under it. And PowerPoint AI automatically assigns icon and themes based on your text. It even chooses design relevant to your content. And once you are done typing everything, you can simply select next. And you will be prompted to a page where you can preview your slides. You can further edit the slides by tapping the pencil icon at the top, adjust the title, text, or even replace icon if needed. PowerPoint make it easy to customize everything according to your needs. And once you are satisfied with your presentation, you can simply tap on the save icon and you can save it as a PowerPoint file, PDF, and share it with your teachers, students, or colleagues instantly. And that's how you create a professional PowerPoint presentation using just your mobile device, whether it's for school, work, or personal project. This method makes it super convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.